I have a point of view that in all organizations, we talk about diversity and inclusion. They are very critical for driving innovations and success of an organization.
My name is Ibba, and I'm a woman in crop science.
The third and last question that we have is, could you share with us a key phrase that women leaders in science can easily remember?
What I'm hearing you say is the importance of thinking about a solution to various problems that we are facing, especially here in Africa, as it relates to food and agricultural systems.
I am Andrea Gardeazabal. I am a member of the Women in Crop Science group.
So can you talk about a time when you are faced with a major challenge in your career path?
What do you think is the most critical factor for achieving gender equality and women empowerment in today's society?
In order to get more number of women in science, basically, I feel the focus should be on co-creation. I mean, working together rather than isolation.
So what I wanted to ask you is, how do you think that you can best work together? No? What do you think would be the role, for example, of CIMMYT to work with different intersectional partners and different sectors partners?
So my questions will focus on women and the role of women, obviously.
Yeah.
My first question is, can you share a tough situation you faced as the head of an academic board and how you handled it?
Being a woman in science can be very taxing sometimes, and it comes with a lot of unique experiences.
My name is Hearne, and I'm a member of CIMMYT's Women in Crop Science group. And I really wanted to interview Sahara because she really speaks to the integration of diversity in science.
I see that one of your pet projects outside of your regular job is co-founding CIMMYT.
I think I speak for my colleagues when I say we are really looking forward for the dialogue next, Seeds of Equity. I'm sure you will have a big audience from CIMMYT.
I love that, absolutely. I also was back in Mozambique and back in the day, and that there is nothing like seeing people that have been bravely used their hose and suffered for it. It changes your life.
How do you navigate through this, the traveling and while embracing your identity as a woman, taking note that different parts of the world have different challenges, different culture? How do you deal with that? Yeah.
So what I wanted to ask was also that if you never felt it maybe, or if you don't feel it as much as some other people do, what would you say to them, that how to get over it? It's not as easy, it's easy to say than rather doing it. But then in your opinion, you did touch base a little bit that how do you manage it, but then for other people that who do go through it.
Please join our next seminar in the Catalyst of Change series.